Welcome to Digital Girl That Code channel. Today we are going to learn how to upload an existing Excel file database to your database using XAMPP phpmyadmin. This is in case you decided to convert your existing Excel file database into a web-based application using XAMPP and MySQL. First, open your web browser and navigate to localhost phpmyadmin and enter your username and password. Then create a database corresponding to what application you want to create. In my case, I will create an employee database. Inside the employee database, create a new table called user data. Now create a table columns exactly the same with your Excel database. The data ID is important, or at least your database has a index data or unique value key. Ensure that data length is set to 255. This is to capture paragraphs or comments. For example, you're uploading a blog database. Now click Import and browse for your Excel file. Ensure that it's in .csv format. Click Update Data when duplicate keys found on Import, and click and specify numbers or rows to skip during uploading. This is to skip your Excel column names. Now click Go. Now when you click Browse, you can see that all data from your Excel file is not available on your MySQL. Now if your Excel file is more than 40 MB, you need to go to your XAMPP control panel and click Apache config and look for your php.ini file. Look for the parameter post max size and upload max file size and change it from 40 MB to 500 MB. This is in megabytes. Restart your Apache server and try uploading again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button.